Hello, body fangs, walk to the push. Guys, have you ever woken up one morning then all of a sudden you get this brain poop of an idea that you want to go explore Africa? You and a family there, or a couple of chommies, just getting in touch with nature and wild and dangerous animals. Bloody amazing. However, you want to go on this overlanding trip here over there, but you don't have the tools or equipment to take along with you. Then you run around like a little hardlywige krimpvarkie there, from store to store, trying to find all the tools and equipment that you need. Ach nee man, time to pull yourself towards yourself there, okay. You need to visit tuscoverland.com. These guys have got everything and anything that you need for your trippy up in Africa. From tents, braais, kitchen equipment. They've even got a sleep sack, a slop sock, sleeping bag. Yeah, 12-volt equipment, fridge and cooling systems, communication systems, merchandise, camp maps, lights and torches, water storage. You name it, these oaks have it. Okay, tuscoverland.com. Chum, even if you don't know where you're going and you need to go on a little bit of a tour, they could even help you with that. Go check them out. Go to tuscoverland.com. Jy sal nie spyt wees nie. Okay, thanks.